Yo, today we're going to talk about my favourite sleep aids which are derived from Mother Nature and are known to keeping you feeling relaxed and restful. It's Manny from all my friends Rick, but before we get into my top 5 herbal picks for a better night's sleep, let's review some common conditions and lifestyle factors that can actually cause insomnia. These can be stress and anxiety, there could be physical pain like back pain, going to the toilet at night, alcohol and drug use, asthma, digestive disorders, arthritis, hot flashes, and even sleep apnea. But let's now get into my top 5 favourite herbs to promote a good night's sleep. First of all, let's start with lavender. Lavender essential oil is the most used essential oil in the world today, and the benefits were actually discovered over 2,500 years ago. Bloody hell. But there are numerous studies out there that demonstrate sleep-inducing calming effects of lavender oil. So by inhaling lavender, it's shown to reduce sleep disturbance, improve quality and duration of sleep, fight insomnia, and improve your overall well-being. Also with lavender oils, they have a sedative and calming properties, but unlike other sedative drugs, lavender doesn't have any unwanted side effects. So what we want to do is to improve your quality of sleep. Diffuse the lavender oil in your bedroom before you go to sleep, or if you haven't got a diffuser, you can rub 3 to 5 drops on your neck, chest and temples. It's not just lavender that provides sleep-inducing essential oils, but chamomile does too, even though I prefer to have it as a tea. But chamomile is frequently used as a mild sedative to calm nerves and reduce anxiety, but also help promote that sleep, because its vapours actually travel directly to the olfactory part of the brain, turning off tension and reducing the body's stress response. There are different ways you can actually have the chamomile, but like I said, I prefer having it as a tea. But what you want to do is have it at night time if you're going to have it as a tea. I've got some here in my hand. But if you're struggling to get hold of any of these herbs that I discuss in this video or any of my other previous videos, then just drop me a comment in this below or send me a message on Instagram at all my friends are Riggs. But while we're here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. This next herb is nicknamed Nature's Tranquilizer, and what I'm talking about is valerian root. Because in recent years, studies show that it works similar to prescription tranquilizers by increasing gamma properties. So imagine you're in the club, someone offers you a drink, maybe a cocktail, a bit of garnish on there. That garnish is valerian root. You know, next man's trying to spike you there. Don't be drinking that. Anyways, in a double-blind study conducted in Sweden, the effects of valerian root on poor sleep were actually significant, because 44% reported perfect sleep and 89% reported improved sleep, which doesn't really make much sense to me, because I was like 44% and 89%, where are they getting the maths from? Big Shack. But again, consume valerian root as a tea. If you notice by now, a lot of these herbs have some sort of sedative effect, but valerian root is nature's tranquilizer, and that sounds like some powerful shit, so I ain't messing around with that one. I'll stick with my other herbs, to be honest. But the next herb that I want to discuss is lemon balm. And lemon balm has nothing to do with lemons at all, but in fact it's actually from the mint family. And a little cheeky fact for you, lemon balm actually gets rid of herpes. So I've been told. This herpes not gone yet. Fuck's sake. Traditionally, lemon balm has actually been used to treat both insomnia and anxiety, as it reduces restlessness and hot flushes due to its mild sedative effects. No surprise there. But if you didn't know by now, I'm actually a big fan of herbal teas, as you can see behind me, and I would always recommend a tea, probably 9 times out of 10. But with lemon balm, you can actually add the lemon balm leaves into your cooking, or you can diffuse it in a diffuser if you got one to hand. Let's talk about the 4th herb in this list, and that's ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is also known as Indian ginseng, and it's popular in Ayurvedic medicine. I actually consume it mainly because of its natural testosterone boosting capabilities, which I need mainly because I lift some heavy ass weights in that gym, so you need to boost that test. But lads, before you start going off and start stealing your granddad's blue pills, get yourself some ashwagandha. Anyways, the reason you want to consume it is because it helps your body deal with long-term stress. Therefore, in turn, a reduction in stress will equal a boost in your sleep quality. I prefer having the ashwagandha as a powder compared to having it as the root, because I just simply do, it's easy to consume. 1 teaspoon mixed with a bit of hot water, and it'll be followed by a lovely night's sleep and a good old morning glory. Let's talk about the final herb on this list today, and that's hops. Hops is actually the main ingredient that you actually find in beer. But before you start going down to the local pub and start necking a load of pints thinking it'll put you to sleep, actually sometimes it can put you to sleep. I wouldn't really recommend going down that route, but fundamentally it actually affects your serotonin and melatonin, and they're the key molecules that you find in your sleep cycle. So it's actually quite common to mix hops and valerian root and passion flower. Passion flower is something I've not really discussed thus far, but what I'd recommend is get yourself a nice little herbal cocktail of valerian root and hops and even the passion flower together. But don't be going down to the pub. And there we have it. 5 herbs not only to improve your sleep quality and insomnia, but we discovered a lot of these actually reduce your stress and anxiety. And also stay tuned, as I'll be offering my own herbal teas in the future. So if you've got any questions about it, drop it in the comment section below. But also give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't got an account, make one and subscribe. Safe.